To another form Titan video, and in this video we'll talk about how to send edit link to form filler using custom email. And you can set up an HTML template here for that email. It's really awesome, and I'll show you how it's done. First, you need to create your fields. I've got first name, last name, I consent, and I do not consent for the marketing. Next thing you need to do is go on submit and check something called allow later editing. Okay, and then you need to click edit and choose your field, and mine is going to be this one, email, so I'll choose that. Yours can be anything. And here you can specify, whoops, one second, here you can specify what the link is going to look like. So you can say, please click on this GDPR link to edit form. Very simple. Once you've done that, click save. Then what I'd like you to do is click on the email field and choose something called custom mail to filler. Okay, so once you select this and click edit, you will have an option to either send it as a custom message like this, or you can switch to HTML mode. Just for the purposes of this demonstration, I'll switch to HTML and we'll get some code here. Just simple HTML code here, nothing special. Like this. I'll go back in here and I'll click tools, source code, and I'll just paste it. Just two banners, very, very nice. And then we'll say, dear, and then I'll insert first name. Thank you for completing the form. If you would like to edit the form, please click on the URL below. Thank you, Form Titan. So something very simple like this. And I'll just move this up and we'll make this, let's say 18. Yeah, we'll make this 18. Something like this. Very, very cool. Just a custom email. And then once you click apply, save, let's go and test. So I'll fill out some stuff here, Joe, blogs. I'll enter my personal email here so I can show you what it looks like. And then I'll select I consent. Once you've done that, go ahead and submit. And now there are going to be a bunch of emails coming to my inbox. Okay, so there are tons of emails, and the only one I'd like you to focus on is the GDPR one. So we'll wait for these to come through. This has been completed and been pushed through. Give it a refresh. Okay, here's some data coming in, but this is not what I'm worried about because this isn't for us. Okay, as I'm the form owner, I'm also getting these, so we'll just not worry about these for now. But the one I want to worry about is this one. Okay, right here. So this is a HTML email, and I'll just expand this like this, and this is what it looks like as per our template. Okay, so we'll just say, actually we don't need to download it, let's ignore that. So look, it says, Dear Joe, thank you for completing the form. If you'd like to edit the form, please click on the URL below. And look, here's my URL. Please click on this GDPR link to edit the form. And if I click on it, I can go ahead and edit my form if I want. So that's how it's done. Very, very simple to set up. Simply just a couple of things you need to do. Make sure on submit, you've got allow later editing is checked. And then you specify which email field it is. And then you can also modify the URL text. Then what you need to do is click on the email field and do custom mail to filler, edit, create your email, and then click apply, and the URL will automatically be rendered like this in the actual email. And this is how it's done.